Hello everyone, we are here with Javier Espuch. He's the commercial director of Embention, and we have the chance to have a conversation with him regarding his project, a very interesting project per se. So Javier.
Well, I'm Javier, I'm the business development manager at Embention and 14 years working with the company. We focus on the automation of the drone systems, okay, so working with many different kinds of aircraft. Like, for example, here at the show, we have like a bias system that we're working with them on a 35 wingspan solar aircraft. They achieved their first stratospheric flights last year.
Okay.
Or we also have Avilus, that they have like a large multi-rotor that they're using for delivery. And in the delivery field, we're also working with a Prime Air that they're also at the show, that we're working to bring the delivery of goods and populated areas to Europe.
What makes Embention's variety of autopilot stand out in the market?
Well, we have a clear focus on the reliability and certification. Okay, so we've been pioneers in applying the standards from the manned aviation into the drone industry. And we managed to do it in a way that we have this certification compliance. At the same time, we have like a really flexible product that can be adapted to all kinds of vehicles.
What are the biggest, let's say, certification challenges for Embention today in integrating autopilots in UAVs?
Yeah, maybe the main challenge is the lack of a specific regulation that we're working with the ASA in different working groups, but there are still a lot of regulations to be issued. And specifically on the autopilot, today there is no specific TSO for drones or eVTOL autopilots. Okay, so for us, what we're doing today is that we're following a TSO for conventional manned aviation. Okay, but we expect that at some point this TSO for drone autopilots is released, so we can work on it.
Javier, where do you see autopilot technology evolving in the next 3-5 years?
Well, we are continuously evolving the autopilot. Okay, so mainly because of the market demands. Okay, so we have a large R&D team that we are listening to customers to. So we are always working in two directions. One is to adapt the autopilot to the latest regulations. One of the newer versions of the autopilot, we have adapted all the geofencing and geocaching standards from the European authorities. And at the same time, the customers are bringing new requests.
Okay, Javier, thank you very much for your time.